Hey friends, welcome to Motivational Minute here on the Writers Atelier channel where I'm Paige. I'm here to give you a pep talk. That was almost a total sentence. In a 60-second video. Just like how sometimes you try to talk and words just don't come out right. Sometimes you write and words don't come out right. You might look over some of the scenes that you've done during NaNoWriMo thus far and get kind of discouraged. I know that's been happening to me. I'll read a paragraph and go, oh, I could say that better, but guess what? That's what revisions are for. And if while you're writing you think of a way to fix that and you have the energy to do that, go for it. It's your nano. If you want to do some edits while you're going along, that is totally up to you. But you have permission to be messy. We've talked about this before, but I'm gonna say it again. This is your nano. Do with it what you please. Keep writing, keep working hard, keep sprinting with friends and interacting with the community. Subscribe for more motivation and inspiration, and I will see you again tomorrow. Bye everyone.